Hey everybody, I'm Eartha Baca and welcome to today's episode of Beauty Graffiti. This look is the Super Pumpkin. It was inspired from the show Tales of Halloween. Stick with me, we're gonna get to it in time lapse and I'll see you at the end. Real quick before we get started, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I would love to hear from you. Your comments mean so much to me. Thank you so much for being here, watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you over there at the end. I'm gonna always start off with my primer. I'm using a lot more than I would for a regular look because I'm actually gonna go down on my neck. So I'm gonna put primer everywhere that I'm going to apply makeup. The next thing I'm going to do for this look is to actually map it out. I'm going to use the center as the stem and draw the lines down first, and that's going to help me know where to place the eyes and the mouth. Now that I have basic placement, I'm going to go in, hit all the colors, and make this look happen. I'll see you when we're done.